Well, last night's storms headed over southwest lower Michigan did cause some wind damage down a lot of power lines, and several thousand people were without power. Things are calming down quite a bit now, and we're in for a stretch of some pleasant weather. 13 weather ball is blue, cooler, less humid weather in view, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Another warm day today, 85 here in Grand Rapids. A warm spot, Ionia, 87, only 79 in Ludington. Last year we were also 85, and that's warmer than average and came within 1 degree of our forecast high. We've been within 3 degrees 17 days in a row. We have now made up all that ground from a cooler start to July. We are now almost exactly average for the month. We've also made up ground on our drought, 83 hundredths of an inch more rain than usual, and we've had a little less sunshine, about 10% less. And speaking of precipitation, we are now 5 1/3 inches more than the usual summer rainfall total, thanks to a wet June, and we're only an inch below average for 2021. You can see how much of that deficit we've made up. We had quite a bit of a difference between what the average is, that's this line, and what was observed. Look at this big jump right in through here. That was that June rainfall, and we made another big jump here, so we're almost where we should be up to this point in the year. One other thing that happened maybe while you were sleeping last night, including the severe storms, an 8.2 magnitude earthquake here out in the Kenai Peninsula. This is the strongest earthquake since 1964 in the same area of the 1938 earthquake. No tsunami, or a very limited tsunami with that, about a ½ foot. Here in West Michigan, we have calmed things down. We've got a layer of some high clouds coming down from the north. We're going to see more of those come in from the west here tomorrow, so we'll call it a partly sunny day. And eventually some cooler air will come in later on Saturday, and it might generate an isolated shower. Clearing skies here overnight tonight. You can see those high clouds towards daybreak. We'll call it a partly sunny day here tomorrow, but those clouds will retreat then tomorrow night. On Saturday, most of the showers are going to be zipping by to our north and east. So I've got just a few in the forecast, but I think our chances are lower than they were yesterday. And on Sunday, the models are trying to flare up a few showers, but I think here in West Michigan, we will stay on the drier side. All told, very little significant precipitation the next 10 days or so. Daily chance there on Wednesday perhaps, and maybe the following Saturday night or Sunday. Other than that, it's going to be a dry and comfortable week. Forecast then for tomorrow, partly sunny skies, highs around 70 to 73, Ludington and Hart, low in mid-70s with a warm spot there in Muskegon at 76. Up north, high temperatures around 70 around US 10, 74 here in Fremont, only 71 though in Greenville, and partly sunny skies here in the greater Grand Rapids zone as well, as we see overnight low temperatures in the 50s and then climbing up into the low in mid-70s tomorrow. That's about 10 degrees below average for this time of year. 13 on your side forecast. Got a few of those scattered showers later in the day, Saturday into Saturday night. Dry day, I think, here in West Michigan on Sunday. And maybe some smoky haze Monday or Tuesday of next week from those wildfires up north west of us. And then here we go, slow climb into the low and mid-80s, just a tad bit more humid Wednesday and next Friday. And then on the following Sunday, we may finally see a significant chance at some showers and thunderstorms.